candles in the rain. Story mode, oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. It was one rainy evening down Kingston Lane. I saw her standing quiet beneath pouring rain. Her eyes held a story filled with hidden pain, yet her smile brought sunshine through my window pane. She carried old letters tied up with blue thread of promises and memories lovers once said. Every page she unfolded brought tears she had shed. Still beauty kept glowing where sorrow once spread. She said love is a river that flows, then it parts, but true souls reconnect even after dark starts. I listened in silence while drums played their parts, and her words touched the corners deep inside my heart. Oh darling, stay close through the night so long. Your voice is the melody inside my song. Though the road may be rough and the world feels wrong, in your arms is the place where my soul belongs. Weeks turned into months by the old seaside shore. We danced to sweet reggae till our feet became sore. She told me she feared she could trust nevermore, 'cause another man once left her broken before door. I held her hand softly beneath moonlight glow and whispered, true flowers take patience to grow. From the pain of the past, stronger love starts to show, like roots through the concrete, still finding to grow. One morning she vanished without saying why, only one little note saying please do not cry. I searched every corner beneath every sky till I saw her again where the rivers run high. She ran through the crowd with tears in her eyes, saying realness, your love made my spirit rise. Now together forever beneath golden skies, two hearts reunited where true love survives lies. Oh darling, stay near till the stars fade away. Our love keeps on blooming like sunrise each day. No storm can divide what you're destined to stay. Forever together, come what may.